In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Drive in Notion. By the end, you'll have a Google Drive file cleanly embedded on a Notion page, and you'll understand the key sharing settings that make it visible to the right people. Start by opening Notion in your browser and logging in. On the sign-in screen, choose the option to continue with Google, then pick your Google account to proceed. Once you're in, create a fresh workspace for the embed by adding a new page. Give your page a clear, descriptive name so you can find it easily later. With your page ready, switch over to Google Drive. Locate the file you want to embed. This can be a document, spreadsheet, presentation, or even a PDF. Open its Share menu. In the Sharing dialog, look for the General Access section. If it's set to Restricted, change it so the link can be viewed outside your account. Select anyone with the link. This is important because Notion displays the file through the shared link. If it's restricted, the embed may appear blank to others. Next, choose the appropriate permission level. Viewer is best when you want people to read or watch without making changes. Commenter allows feedback without edits, useful for reviews and approvals. Editor grants full editing rights, which is powerful but should be used carefully. Pick the option that matches how you want others to interact with the file. When you're done, copy the link. Go back to your Notion page. Click into the blank space under the page title so you're ready to add a block. Type Embed to bring up Notion's Embed block, then select Embed from the list. Paste the Google Drive link you copied into the field that appears, and confirm by choosing Embed Link. Notion will fetch a live preview of your file and display it right on the page. A couple of quick checks can save time later. If the embed loads for you but others can't see it, return to the Google Drive sharing dialog and verify it's set to anyone with the link at the correct permission level. Remember that the embed always follows Google's permissions, so visibility in Notion depends on how you shared the file in Drive. That's it. You logged into Notion, created a page, adjusted link sharing in Google Drive, copied the file link, and embedded it using the Embed block in Notion. With these steps, you can repeat the process for any Drive file you want to surface in your Notion workspace.